Have accidentally placed an order on H&M or changed your mind after checkout? Don't worry, you can still cancel your order quickly from H&M app. So as long as it's not shipped yet, it's still possible. So for that, you just need to open up your app, or I don't suppose you can do this from a website. In there, just register for the account. If you already have one, just log in. And after that, just go to My Orders. Tap your profile icon and select My Orders from the menu. Select the order, and if it has a pending or processing status, since it's not shipped, cancellation is possible. But if it's already shipped, cancellation will not be possible, and only the return from there will be possible for you. Then confirm and check refund. H&M will confirm the cancellation. Refunds are processed back to your original payment method, which may take a few business days depending on your bank. Pretty simple, my friends. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.